Hey guys, Mrs. Klein here. How are you? This is May, week 7, day 1 for second grade math. Let's go ahead and look at this packet here together that we have today. It says solve the following problems using the vertical form, your place value chart, and place value discs. Bundle a 10 if needed. Think about which ones you can solve mentally too. Okay, so it's wanting us to use basically a variety of ways to solve these. It is wanting us to write these vertically, which means up and down. So it has 31 plus 9. If we were to write that vertically, it would look like this. 31 plus 9, okay? Now, we start adding in our ones column. So we have 1, 1, and 9 ones. And I have over here like a little mini hundreds chart. So if I were to do 9 ones, I'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I will space those kind of out for you. So I have, sorry. Mrs. Klein's always going crazy over here with these kinds of things. Okay, so I have, actually going to move my screen down there. Okay. I have my 9 ones. And then look, I'm going to add my 1, 1 to it. So now altogether I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have a group of 10 ones. What does that mean? Yes, we bundle it together and we trade it in for a 10. So what I'm going to do is go through and get rid of these ones. And I'm going to trade it in. I'm going to just move this guy. Pretend like we just got rid of him. Okay. And we're trading in. And now we have a 10. All right. Because we had 9 ones. And then we had 1 1. So now we have 10 ones. So what we're going to do actually is we have 0 ones now. We have nothing in our ones column. So if I have my columns here, this is my ones, this is my tens, and this is my hundreds. So far, look, we have 0 now in our ones. We have nothing there. So 0 is in our ones column. We have to take our 110 that we bundled and put it over here in the tens column. So now we have 3 tens and 1 10. So here's our 110. Let's make 3 more tens. There we go. So now we have how many tens all together? We have 4 tens in our tens column. So we're going to put a 4. We have 4 tens. If we were to write that in our number form, we would have 4 tens. So we have 4 tens, 0 ones. The number is 40. Good work, guys. I'm proud of you. That was a little bit difficult, but you guys did well with it. So I'm proud of you. Okay, let's keep our hundreds chart right here to continue to help us. Now we have 32 plus 8. Let's write it vertically again. Remember, vertically means up and down. So I'm going to write 32 plus 8 equals, all right, let's go ahead and do our ones column first. When we add, remember, we always look at our ones column first. So we have 2 ones and 8 ones. So here's our 2 ones. Right there, there's 2 ones. Now we have to do 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Holy guacamole, I'm gonna have to put some down here to make sure they all fit. I'm for sure of it. So we have 8 ones and we have 2 ones. That means we have a total altogether of 10 ones. If we were to count all of these, let's go ahead and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have a group of 10 ones. Who can remind me, what do we do when we have a group of 10 ones? That's right. We group them together and we bundle them and we trade them in for a 10. So let's go ahead and put our 10 up here. Let's get rid of all of these 10 ones. I'm very proud of you guys for remembering that. Whoops. Okay. Oh goodness. Here goes Mrs. Klein again, making silly mistakes. Okay, I'm gonna keep this guy. Pretend like we deleted him. Okay, so now we have 0 ones. We have no ones left in the ones column. So we have to put a 0 because we have 0 ones. Now we had a 10 that we put over in the tens column. Let's put that 1 right here. There's 1 10 that we brought over. So now we have 1 and 3 10s. So we have 1 10 plus 3 more 10s. Okay, so how many 10s do we have now? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 10s. There we go. What's our number? 40. We got 40 again. Wow. Good work, guys. Okay, here's our hundreds chart again. We're going to keep using. We have 42 plus 18. Okay, let's go ahead and write that vertically, which means up and down. So I have 42 plus 18. Okay, it's written up and down vertically. Good work. In our ones column, that's where we start. We have 2 ones and 8 ones. All right, so if I have 2 ones and then I have 8 ones, I know that all together, I'm gonna have how many ones? Yeah, I don't even have to put that over here for you guys. You guys know that by now. 2 ones and 8 ones equals 10 ones. Well, once I have 10 ones, I have to bundle them together and put them over in the tens column. So now I have 0 ones and I have a 10 in the tens column. I have 1 10. So I have 0 ones. I put my 10 over here in the tens column. So now I have 1 10 plus 4 10s plus another 10. So here's my 1 10 plus 4 10s plus another 10. If we space all these out, so we, ooh, whoa. If I space all these out so you guys can see them, one day I'll get this straight, guys. Okay, how many 10s do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 10s, which equals, the total number then is 60. Good work, guys. All right. I think you guys are getting the hang of this. Remember, I sent you guys the virtual manipulatives if you asked for them. So if you guys want to open those up, what I sent you, you can. I'm just deleting that because you're not gonna be able to see that problem. Okay, actually I'll keep it because I'm gonna have you do C all on your own. Let me put that back. We had 6 10s and 0 1s, 60. Okay, so now we have 43 plus 17. Write it vertically, which means up and down. 43 plus 17. If we look at our ones, we have 3 1s and 7 1s. If we have 3 1s, whoops, there's our 3 1s. And now I'm going to add 7 more to that. 5, 6, 7. Oh my goodness, how many ones do I end up having? Count them all. Oh, let's just space them out enough that we can count them. Holy guacamole. Ah. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 groups of 1, which means that we need to bundle these and put them over and convert them into a 10, trade them in for a 10. So let's delete our 10 ones. Now we have how many ones once we convert them over into a 10? We have 0 ones. Good job. Okay, I'm just keeping that one. Okay, we have 0 ones. We converted one over into a 10. Oops. Here we go. 0 ones. There's one that's a 10 now. We have a group of 10, so that's a bundle of 10. Now we have 1 10 plus 4 10s plus 1 10. So here we go. 1 10 plus 4 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1 10. Okay. So now we have how many 10s? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 10s. There you have it. We have 60. All right, what I want you guys to do is you're going to complete C on your own. Make sure you write them vertically like it wants you to, and then you may solve them using the manipulatives, or if you can do it mentally, that's fine as well. Okay, number 2, add the bottom 2 numbers to find the missing number above it. Okay, guess what? We're going to use my virtual manipulatives here, and if you guys have that page, you may open it and do the same. Let's see here. So we have 23. We're going to build 23 right here for you to see. How many ones are in 23? Yeah, there's 3 ones. So 1, 2, 3. There's our 3 ones. And there's 2 10s. There's 23. Okay. Now we also have to build 18. How many ones are in 18? Yes, there's 8 ones. So let's go ahead and build our 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my goodness, we have so many. Ah, Mrs. Klein, I did not mean to do that. I'm so sorry. Tell you what. Okay, there's our 8 ones. And we have how many 10s? Yes, we have 1 10. So let's go ahead and bring our 1 10 over. So this is 23 plus 18. If we look at our ones column first, like we know we're supposed to, we are going to add our ones together. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 ones. Remember, when we have a group of 10, we have to bundle them and make it a 10. So if we have 11 ones, that means we have one group of 10 that we're going to convert over. And then we also are left with a 1 with only 1 left, okay? So we have a 10 and that we're going to convert over, and then we have 1 left. So I'm going to just make a copy of this 10. So that way we remember, we have another 10 to add in. Now let's look at our 10s and add. We have 1, 2, 3, don't forget this one, 4. We have 4 10s. If we put 4 in the 10th spot, then we get our answer, which is 4 10s and 1 1, which is the number 41. Very good. And if you wanted to go ahead and delete all the 10 ones, so that you could have that other 10 up there, that's fine. I just left them because of time and how difficult it is for me to manipulate some of this stuff. Okay, so I want you guys to go ahead and do this one on your own. If it works easier for you to write it out this way, 29 plus 23, and to, oh goodness gracious, 29 plus 23, and write it out vertically to solve it, that's fine. Remember, you're going to start with your ones column, okay? All right, I will talk to you guys later. Love and hugs. Bye.